Meaning of devalue.
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 Devalue. The term devalue refers to the reduction of something's worth or value. This can occur in various contexts, such as currency devaluation, where a government intentionally lowers the value of their currency to boost exports or reduce debt. Devaluation can also refer to the diminishing of the perceived value of a product or service in the eyes of consumers or the general public. The result of devaluation is a decline in the purchasing power or perceived worth of the devalued item, which can lead to economic repercussions and changes in consumer behavior.